Hi friends, this video shows how to allow only U-rated Universal movies in kids profile. Right now I am inside the kids profile kid 1. Let me go to settings, select settings icon from top left corner. Select this settings icon. Then enter Google PIN because this profile is locked. Now you are seeing kids profile settings. Go down, select content restrictions, and here select movies, and here you can see movie ratings. From this list you can select U because here we are going to allow only U rated universal movies in this profile. Select U, done. Then go back. Here you can see the movies rating limit set to U. Okay, so this way we can apply that restriction. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.